Is your 2017-2019 Kia Cadenza key fob not working reliably? The most common cause is a dead battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Your Cadenza key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These are widely available at auto parts stores, pharmacies, and online retailers for about $5 to $10. This battery powers the fob's radio frequency RF transmitter, which unlocks your doors, starts the car, and activates the panic alarm. Before you start, gather these simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, the new CR2032 battery, and optionally a plastic pry tool to protect the fob's casing from scratches. Working in a clean, dry area is recommended. Locate the small notch or seam on the side of the key fob, usually near the Kia logo. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch. Twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Some fobs may have a rubber seal. Carefully peel it back. Once the fob is open, you'll see the battery compartment, typically secured by a metal clip or holder. Use the screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Pay attention to the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Now insert the new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery into the compartment. Make sure the positive plus side faces up. Ensure it snaps securely into place to avoid loose connections that could cause battery drain or signal loss. Avoid touching the battery contacts with your bare fingers, as natural oils can cause corrosion over time. Work in a dry area to prevent moisture entry. Align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they click. If there's a screw, tighten it, but don't over-tighten. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from a distance of 10 to 15 feet to ensure it's working correctly. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, first double-check that the battery is oriented correctly with the positive side up. Next, clean the contacts inside the fob with a soft cloth to remove any corrosion or oils. Test the fob from 10 to 15 feet away. If it still fails, contact a Kia dealer for reprogramming or inspection. To maintain your key fob, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, which can drain the battery faster. Finally, recycle old batteries through authorized programs to reduce environmental impact.